Hello, guys, and welcome back to American Farming. Finally, we got something a little special today. We're getting a new tractor because if you remember last time, kind of blew the gearbox up on the 470 quad track. So we traded that off to a dealership, and they're gonna repair it. And they're gonna sell it to someone else. Because I didn't really like the road track. If I'm being honest, I didn't. So we didn't keep it. But we gotta run over to the farm so we don't miss the delivery. So yeah. Alright. We are back here at the farm. Got a ride over here. So yeah. I am going to get the feed mixing truck out here. So, yeah, that is something I hope we get in American Farming too. Like a tandem truck with like a mixer on the back. That'd be amazing. Because the Meyer one is a little small if you're running a big operation. Or do I not? Oh, that's right. We haven't had a harvester yet. Well, we'll just leave that there. I know we got hay, so we'll feed some hay. But I did get a call from the dealership, and I'm not going to actually say the number yet. But our tractor should be getting delivered any time now. So, just kind of keeping an eye on the driveway. So, we are going to put the bucket over here. Where are my forks? This isn't funny. Where are my forks at? Where would they have gone? I lost my bale forks. I don't know where they are. Oh, okay. Here's the new tractor. They almost hit my tractor, but here it is. 715 quad track. So, I'm going to disconnect it. We'll pull the truck forward. Right there's about good. Alright. Take off the chains, and this thing is nice. So I will say, this thing is not brand new. It's a 2025, so it is slightly used. Or the 24. I don't know. I think it's either a 24 or a 25. It had about 600 hours on it, but I'm fine with that. We needed a tractor to replace the 470, so yeah. Going to bag this into the shop here, and then hopefully that guy can just go back to the dealership. Go a little farther back. There we go. So, I'm glad I got this tractor. I think we might throw that on the cart. If I don't even remember what cart I have. I haven't been on this save in who knows how long. I know I got 240 combines, so I've looked at that. Just didn't pay attention to the cart. Maybe we'll run over there in the pickup truck later and we'll look. But we will hook up the low boy for this guy, and we'll set it out by the driveway so he knows that he can go. We're not fueling it up for him because why would I? Right here. Perfect. We'll put it right outside the driveway. Good enough. Oh, yeah, what kind of cart do we have? 1,500 bushel. And we have a 380 on it. I think we'll just keep the 380 on the cart. Yeah. What the heck? What did you even do? Why are you going this way? I seriously question the people I hire sometimes. Like, I don't know why and how I hired them. But somehow I did. So, yeah, I don't know. I would say we'd go cut hay, but the alfalfa's still growing. So, that's right, we gotta look for my bale forks. Alright, if I had to guess, I would say they're over here by the bales. So we'll go over here. Because I have no clue where else they would be. Did I sell my bale forks? I don't know why I would. Well, we're gonna buy some bale forks. So, yeah. I'll pick the camera up when we get our bale forks back. Alright. I bought bale spikes. But I bought something else for the bale spikes. You know, I bought the bale spikes, but I figured I needed a tractor for the bale spikes. So we bought a 185 Puma with duals. Mainly, we put the 150 over there by the manure, and the 185 will be on the spreader. And maybe this, I don't know how much horsepower this takes, but we might actually be putting a big tractor on that. And I also bought a gravity wagon. The reason I bought the gravity wagon, it's nice for having pigs. You just load the gravity wagon, go over by the pigs, and you dump. It is nice. I like that from Iowa when I did that on there. So, this is our newest tractor. This has been an expensive video. Bought a 715, a Puma. Yeah, we're not going to be buying anything for a good bit of time. So, yeah. I am going to bag up. Oh, don't need to make this even more of an expensive video, so we're going to bag that up just right there. Perfect. Now, I do want to go over by the applicator, I was going to say, but we're going to help this guy out real quick. No, he wants to run into my truck. Okay. Of course I can't walk under that. That'd be too simple. We're going to pull this out of the way and we'll put it right up here by the old barn. Good enough. So, I am going to come over to the, I would say yes, but I want the 6.0. Here we go. You know, that's something I hope they add to American farming too. Collisions on the telephone poles. I don't know why, it's kind of annoying. I'm going to unhook that. The dairy pen is out of feed, so we're going to go back to the farm, we're going to get the gooseneck, and we're going to go buy a load of bales. So, yeah. But I do think that is going to be all for today's video. I know it might be a little shorter. I didn't really check the recording time. But see you guys next time. Peace. Goodbye.